Meet Andrew and Allie from Pennsylvania, a young couple who were feeling the weight of the economy on their finances. Like many of us, they felt like they weren't in total control of their family's financial future. With a baby on the way, and what appeared to be a lifetime of debt payments, Andrew and Allie meticulously examined various financial options. They wanted to make the right choice, of course, but they knew from experience, traditional in-the-box strategies weren't enough to accomplish their goals fast enough or on their terms. Then their financial planner suggested they look at Truth in Equity's patented credit line banking program, better known as CLB. Andrew and Allie started with a conversation with Bill, one of the founders of Truth in Equity. A second meeting followed, where Bill conducted an extensive forensic analysis of their finances to determine how well CLB would work with their unique budget. This analysis also included a detailed look at how Andrew and Allie's CLB journey would look year by year. They were shown the actual blueprint of their path to financial independence. After that meeting with Bill, they also realized all the overt scrutiny wasn't necessary. After seeing the numbers, it all made sense, and there was no doubt CLB is what they'd been looking for. Andrew and Allie put their trust and faith in Bill and began their journey with Truth in Equity in October 2022. To get CLB started, with Bill's help, Andrew and Allie secured a $60,000 second lien, home equity line of credit from a local bank in their neighborhood. Once secured, their first move was a $25,000 withdrawal from the HELOC to pay down their first mortgage. By February 2023, just 5 months later, without even thinking about it, Andrew and Allie paid down the HELOC balance to an impressive $9,600. They achieved these astounding results by just changing where they kept their paycheck and when they paid their bills.
It's so simple, it's stupid. CLB isn't complicated once you understand it. Bill's claims and promises were accurate and had come true.
So, with confidence, Andrew and Allie withdrew $35,000 from the home equity line of credit and paid off one of their student loans. That brought their home equity line of credit balance up to $44,600. They were so happy to pay off that student loan with the home equity line of credit, knowing they were in full control of repaying it. It was a liberating experience. Their home equity line of credit balance 9 months later is $24,525. And in the midst of this financial transformation, Andrew and Allie welcomed their baby boy, Shane, April 4, 2023. In summary, Andrew and Allie's family got bigger in a crummy economy, but they still repaid over $35,000 of their debt in just 12 months. Rather extraordinary results, considering they haven't had to make any adjustments to their budget to get there. Even more impressive, they are on track to be completely debt-free in just 7 years and 5 months. Well before little Shane graduates from elementary school. Andrew and Allie's results are common and a true testament to the power of credit line banking and Truth in Equity's personal care for a thriving young family. If you want the same financial transformation Andrew and Allie have experienced, visit truthinequity.com/contact and schedule what could be the best conversation you've ever had about your money. See how credit line banking can work for you. Schedule a call today. You'll be glad you did.